Hi students, welcome to Chemistry Online. Today we are going to discuss quantum numbers, remaining three. In the previous class we discussed principal quantum number and what is the significance of principal quantum number. Now we are going to discuss second one, azimuthal quantum number. This is the second one. It is nothing but a azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. So this is also I will explain point wise. So first point you have to write down who proposed this. It was proposed by Sommerfeld. It was proposed by Sommerfeld. Next, it is denoted by L. It is denoted by L. L have values, means M have values. M values means here L values depends on N. L values depends on N. So L equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on n minus 1. So here next you have to know L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Subshells are S, P, D, F and so on. L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on means the subshells are S, P, D, F and so on. Means here you have to know what is the significance of L means here significance of L is nothing but a shape of the orbital. Significance of L. Significance of L is nothing but it signifies shape of orbital. It signifies a shape of orbital. For example, S orbital spherical shape. P orbital dumbbell shape. Like that. Okay. Next, here you have to know a table. See, L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Subshells equal to S, P, and D and F and so on. So L is equal to 0 means subshell is S. L is equal to 1 means subshell is P. L is equal to 2 means subshell is D. L is equal to 3 means subshell is F. This is azimuthal quantum number. It was proposed by Sommerfeld. It is denoted by L. L values depends on N. n is nothing but a principal quantum number. L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So n value starts from 1, here L value starts from 0, n values ends with n, L values ends with n minus 1. So significance, it signifies shape of orbital. It signifies shape of orbital. So here S spherical, P dumbbell, like this. So if L value 0, subshell is S, 1 P, 2 D, like this. Okay, this is about azimuthal quantum number. For example, N L sub-energy level. N L sub-energy level. Sub-energy level means subshell. Sub-energy level is nothing but a subshell. Subshell. N is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, subshell equal to S. N is equal to 2, so L values are 0, 1 and subshell are S, P, like this. So N is equal to 3 means 0, 1, 2, subshells are S, P, D. If it is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, S, P, D, F, like this. Okay, so this is the table you have to know. So it is a n value, it is a L value, and it is a subshell. So for any orbit L is equal to 0, 0, 0 for S orbital. Okay, for any orbit L is equal to 1 means that is a P orbital. For any orbit L is equal to 2 means that is a D orbital. For any orbit L is equal to 3 means that is a F orbital. That is for F orbital. Okay, so this is the way we may discuss about azimuthal quantum number. Then azimuthal quantum number. Then another quantum number is nothing but a magnetic quantum number. A magnetic quantum number. Next, third one, magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number. So who proposed this? Means Landé. So first point is it was proposed by Landé. It was proposed by Landé. Next, it is denoted by M. It is denoted by M. M values depends on L. M values depends on L. Means M equal to M values are M values are M equal to minus L and so on 0 and so on plus L. So M values are M equal to minus L, depends on L, means minus L. Suppose for example L is equal to 0, M equal to 0. L is equal to 1, minus 1, 0, plus 1, like that. Okay. Then here you have to know total number of m values are are 2 into L plus 1. 2 into L plus 1. Then you have to know total number of electrons in subshell is 2 into 2L plus 1. 2 into 2L plus 1. For example, in P subshell, how many electrons means 2 into 2L plus 1. So for P, L is equal to 1, means 2 into 1 plus 1 means 2 into 2 plus 1, 3, 2 3s are 6. So P maximum 2 electrons can be accommodated. So like that, total number of electrons in subshell is 2 into 2L plus 1. Okay. So here m values, total number of m values means 12 plus 1. That is L is equal to 0 means m is equal to 0. If L is equal to 1, m equal to minus 1, 0, plus 1. Understand? If L is equal to 2, m is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, like this. So this is nothing but total number of m values. So this is the way we may calculate total number of m values and total number of electrons in subshell. Next, significance. Significance. It signifies spatial orientation of orbital. Orbital how orients in the space. It signifies spatial orientation. It signifies spatial orientation of orbital spatial orientation of orbital. Okay. For example, it signifies spatial orientation of orbital. So I have to make a table. So here L values, M values and total m values. Okay. So this is the way we make a table. So here L value is equal to 0, M value is 0, total number of M values means 2 into L plus 1. So here total number of M values means 2 into L plus 1. Then 2 into L plus 1, 2 into 0 plus 1 means 1 value. So it is for sub energy level, sub shell. Yes. L is equal to 0, m is equal to 0, total m value is 2 into L is 0. L is 0 means 2 into 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 means for s orbital. Next, L is equal to 1. M values are minus 1, 0, plus 1. Then here 2 into 1 plus 1 means 3. 1, 2, 3. Here subshell is P. So Px, Py and Pz. Subshell is a P containing Px, Py, Pz orbitals. Then L is equal to 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Then here 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 into 2 plus 1 equal to 5. 2 is a 4 plus 1, 5. Then here D contains D xy, D yz, D xz, D x square y square, D z square. So this is the way it contains 5 orbitals. It contains 5 orbitals. So we may distribute these 5 m values to 5 orbitals. Next, L is equal to 3 means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values means 2 into 3 plus 1 equal to 7. Then F orbital contains F subshell contains 7 orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means 7 to 14 electrons can be accommodated. Here 10 electrons can be accommodated. Here 6 electrons can be accommodated. Here 2 electrons can be accommodated. Here 14 electrons can be accommodated. This is the way. This is the way. If you take n value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that you may take n value also. So if you take n value is nothing but a principal quantum number. So here first n value is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. It is a n, l, m and total number of m values. So it is nothing but a sub-energy level. This is the way n, l, m are related with each other. N, L, M are dependent. This is the way we may discuss magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number. N value is 1, L value is 0, M value is 0. So total number of M values is 1. It is for s orbital. So maximum 2 electrons can be accommodated in s orbital. Like that, like this. So this is the way we may differentiate. We may describe the electron position by using these three quantum numbers. Got it? Then we are going to discuss fourth quantum number is nothing but a spin quantum number. Fourth quantum number is nothing but a spin quantum number. Then who proposed spin quantum number and what is the remaining explanation we are going to discuss. Fourth quantum number is spin quantum number. Okay, so first of all you know who proposed this. Here it was proposed by Uhlenbeck and Goudsmit. It was proposed by Uhlenbeck and Goudsmit. Uhlenbeck and Goudsmit, not Goldsmith. Okay. Then it is denoted by S. It is denoted by S. S values are plus half comma minus half, plus half comma minus half. Maximum 2 electrons in each orbital. Maximum 2 electrons in each orbital, like this. One is upward direction, another one is downward direction. It is clockwise, it is anti-clockwise. Okay. So if electron is in spins, if electron spin clockwise direction, if electron spin clockwise direction, value is plus half. If electron spin clockwise direction, value is a plus half. If electron spin anti-clockwise direction, value is minus half. Here upward direction means clockwise direction, value is a plus half. Here downward direction means anti-clockwise direction, so value is a minus half. Now significance. So maximum 2 electrons can be accommodated in each orbital. So next, each subshell, how many electrons means in each subshell maximum electrons in each subshell are S 2 electrons, P 6 electrons, D 10 electrons, F 14 electrons, and so on. Maximum electrons in each subshell are S 2 electrons, P 6 electrons, D 10 electrons, F 14 electrons, like this. Okay. So here you have to know significance of this quantum number. Significance of this quantum number. Then you have to know here significance. Significance of this quantum number. It signifies spinning of electrons it signifies spinning of electrons in the orbital. So one is a clockwise direction, another one is a anti-clockwise direction. Then you have to make a table. Then SPDF, subshell total electrons. Here subshell number of electrons. So S 2 electrons, P Px, Py, Pz 6 electrons, D 1 2 3 4 5 10 electrons, F 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 14 electrons. So maximum number of electrons. So 1 2 3 5 orbitals, 3 orbitals. So here electrons, subshell and number of electrons. This is a spin quantum number. This is a very important question for 8 marks. Already we discussed previously Bohr's postulates explanation of hydrogen spectrum, very important for 8 marks. Next, Bohr's merits and demerits, that is also very important for 8 marks. This is quantum numbers. These three, out of these three you will get one for public examination, board examinations. Okay, got it? So this is the way we may define or we may explain quantum numbers and their significance. Okay, write down. So this is the way we may explain the quantum numbers. Then you have to know shell or orbit, subshell and orbital. Okay, then living.